Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to edit a muted hashtag on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This quick guide will walk you through every step based on the latest update so you can easily manage your muted content and keep your feed the way you want it. Let's get started. First, open x.com on your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand side menu and click on the More icon. This will open a list of additional options. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. From there, go to Privacy and Safety. This section controls how you manage your account's visibility, interactions, and all of your filters like mutes and blocks. Now, scroll down to find Mute and Block. Click on it and then select Muted Words. This is where all the words, phrases, and hashtags you've previously muted appear in a list. It helps you control what kind of content shows up in your timeline and notifications. Once you're in the Muted Words section, locate the muted hashtag you want to edit. Click directly on that hashtag. A small pop-up or settings window will open, showing the current mute settings for that hashtag. Here, make the changes you want. You can adjust things like how long the hashtag stays muted or where it's muted, such as in your timeline or notifications. When you finish updating your preferences, click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. You've successfully edited your muted hashtag on X's web version. It's a simple way to fine-tune your feed and ensure you only see the content you care about. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.